Good morning. So we are a few days out from our trip to Disney World, and I think I went a little overboard. I think I did. So it started with me buying a couple of Minnie Mouse ears, and then I decided I wanted an outfit for each of the mouse ears, and then I decided I wanted to try Disney bounding, which, if you don't know, it means anyone after the age of 14 can't wear a costume into the park, which makes sense if you think about it, the reasons why. So people started using their regular clothes to create looks that are inspired by Disney characters. So I decided that I wanted to do that for the first time. And then I decided I wanted Catalina to do that with me. And then let me just show you what I have so far. Yeah, it's a lot of stuff. And I ordered a couple of other things that will be shipped to Florida because it's not gonna get to me on time. I just need to stop. I just need to walk away. But of course I'm not, because today I am going to, Foot Locker to buy sneakers for Catalina, because I think she needs a good pair of just like white sneakers. So, yeah. For our big Disney vacation, we decided to stay at Disney's Beach Club Resort. Here is a pro tip. Pack a day bag with all you'll need to hit the parks or the pool in case your room isn't ready when you arrive to the hotel. We handed off our luggage and went straight to Disney's Blizzard Beach, a water park designed to look like a ski resort that is melting away. We rented a 2-person chaise on a private deck that sits above the Meltaway Bay heated 1-acre wave pool. We highly suggest you look into doing the same if you have small children who may need a quiet place to nurse, nap, or extra protection from the sun. You'll still hear the music and crowds, but won't be in the middle of it all. You'll also have the perfect place to enjoy a Blue Blizzard margarita.
Is that good, sweetie? Is that a good burger?
It is.
We got some matching swimsuits.
Blizzard Beach has lockers you can rent and children's life vests that are free to use for guests. They also have private polar patios throughout the park, which is the premium rental seating offered to guests. It includes cushioned furniture, refillable mugs, a personal locker, a cooler with ice and water bottles, towels, and an attendant who takes your food orders right from your seat. There is fun for everyone at Blizzard Beach thanks to its many attractions. For a family who has never seen a lazy river they didn't love, the Country Creek was our favorite thing at the park. It's 3,000 feet long, which means it takes approximately 20 to 30 minutes to make one full lap. The journey includes caves and illuminated grottos, geysers, waterfalls, bridges, and lots of lush greenery. There is a chairlift that takes guests to the top of the green slope where some of the tallest rides can be found, like the Slush Gusher and Teamboat Springs.
About to do Slush Gusher. What do you say? What do you think?
I'm like, you tell me that he's kind of making me scared, but I feel excited.
I think it's going to be great.
You did it! You did it!
Tikes Peak is a polar-themed play area with a shallow wading pool, pint-sized slides, and other aquatic activities that are perfect for babies and preschoolers. The attractions in this area are designed for kids under 48 inches tall.
We're going at the same time. Yep. Go, go, go.
Catalina really enjoyed the ski patrol training camp. There are several attractions to enjoy, like the thin ice training course. There are several slides in this area and the Fahrenheit drops, a zip line that ends with a splash in 8.5-foot deep water. This is for guests 5 feet tall and under.
Go.
There you go, push, push, push.
Come on, let me for it.
I was pulling. Maybe that's the problem.
What?
I see a window.
What? Catalina.
Keep walking towards the
What?
front. Keep walking.
Closet. Oh my goodness. Bathroom. Wow, his and her sinks. Beautiful. Look at the window. We're not gonna need a crib for Peanut, right? She's gonna sleep with. What? Look at this view!
We can go swimming anytime we want. Let's go outside.
Oh my gosh. What is it?
Of course, we had to stop by the iconic Beaches and Cream soda shop to have a mini kitchen sink, which is a smaller version of their famous kitchen sink sundae.
What do you think?
It looks delicious.
Clara!
Delicioso.
Clara, what do you think?
I need it.
You sweating? Gata, let me see you. Yep. We got that. Look at this.
Thank you so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up and share if you enjoyed it, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. And stay tuned for part 2 of our Disney vlogs.